2020 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.